If you're looking for an app that can help you change your voice on the go, then you're in luck. There are a number of different voice changer apps available on the Google Play Store, and each of them has its own set of features and advantages. If you're not sure which app to choose, then watch this video until the very end because I am going to show you the best voice changer app for Android. This app is perfect for those who want to disguise their voice or change it completely. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, open up your Google Play Store and then simply search for a voice changer. And then you want to tap on this app called Voice Changer with Effects. This is an awesome app with over 100 million downloads and a 4.4-star review out of 5. So this app has some great features that set it apart from the competition. It is also completely free to download. So go ahead and install the app. It's under 10 megabytes. So after that, open it up and allow the permission. And now you can simply record your voice by tapping this button over here, so let me do that right now. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. So once you are done recording, you can tap on this button again to stop recording, and then you have all of these effects to choose from. So you can listen to these by clicking on this play button over here, so let me show you a couple of examples of what these sound like. So let's tap the monster.
Hello, testing 1, 2, 3.
And as you can hear, it completely changed my voice. Let's try another one. So let's tap giant.
Hello, testing 1, 2, 3.
And then let's tap on this sarcastic robot effect.
Hello, testing 1, 2, 3.
So that's how this works, so you can scroll down and choose any one of these effects. So once you are happy with an effect that you like to use, you can tap these 3 dots. And this gives you a bunch of options. You can share it, you can export it to your music library, you can save a recording, you can create an image with sound, and you can set this as a phone ringtone or as a notification ringtone. So if you want to save this to your device, tap on Export to Music Library, then you can name this file, and then tap OK. After that, it will be saved to my device. So that's it for this video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. And if you have any questions about the entire process, leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and have a good day.